Hello and welcome to the ShopDesigner software created by Shopline Shopfitting. We are greeted with this screen when we log into the software. Located on the top are the controls, Home, About, and Contact. Using these buttons, you may see the software information as well as reaching our website at www.shopline.com.tr. By clicking on your name, you may reach the stores you had designed as well as the settings menu. Located on the top right-hand side are the available language options. With the buttons located in the middle left corner, you can open a new shop to design, rename a shop, delete and copy shops. Now, let's double-click on the first store and start to design. Software greets us with this screen. I will explain all the commands and groups. The first group is the Filing, Saving, and Help menu. You may manage the filing of the stores, saving, and get help using the icons in this menu. The second group contains commands regarding the structural elements. In this menu, draw wall, draw shop window, draw door, draw stockroom door, insert light, insert spotlight rail, insert spotlight, and draw ceiling commands are found. You may create the structural elements using this menu. The third group is to control between 2D and 3D modes. The plan is the 2D drawing mode and the 3D is the 3D drawing mode. New product icon takes you to the products menu that you can add into your shops. The library section is where the models, coverings, and materials created earlier are stored. The fourth group is the commands that will help you in 2D and 3D modes. The commands here are undo, redo, move, rotate, extend, copy, delete, go to the center point, move the camera, and plan view. Commands in the fifth group are, Take Render allows you to save a JPEG format photo of the scene. Price List brings you the price list of the store drawn. Settings allow you to control the light, camera, and view options. Under the Profile command, you may reach the store you have drawn and personal information. The sixth group commands allow you to do all the revisions and changes to the products and structural elements. You may change the heights, angles, and move elements using this menu. See you in the next tutorial video.